Okay, number 31, it says a honor council consists of 4 seniors, 4 juniors, 3 sophomores, 1 freshman, 15 seniors, 20 juniors, 25 sophomores, and 11 freshmen apply. And how many ways can the honor council be selected? Leave your answer in symbolic form. Okay, so this would just be all combinations, right? So you just go through, and the first thing you have to do is get a senior. Well, there's C 15, 4, right? So you get your 4 seniors. And then the next thing you got to do is get your juniors. Well, there's 20 of those, and you need 4 juniors. And then we need 3 sophomores. So it's going to be C blank 3. How many sophomores are there? 25, right? And then C, then you only need 1 freshman, and 11 applied. So that would be multiplying all this together. You don't have to find the answer. You just say what it is symbolically. Okay, number 33. It says a club agrees to provide 5 students to work at the school carnival. 1 sells balloons. So these are all specific tasks. 9 students agree to help. So we got balloons. We got popcorn. We got cotton candy. We got apples. And we got drinks. So there's 9 ways for a person to do that. 8, 7, 6, 5. So this is a permutation. So P 9, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be the code for it. It's a permutation because there's a specific, like be president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, assistant treasurer. So there's specific positions. So you have to you don't divide out the order. So I'd be multiplying those numbers together. Number 35 is 5 students are to be chosen from a high school government class of 22 students to meet the governor. He visits the school. How many ways can this happen? We're just picking out 5 of 22, so it's C 22, 5. And then you get the answer for that. Number 39. All right, so on number 39, we are doing the following things. Oh, we're doing a chair. This is the kinds of chair, vice chair, secretary, and treasurer. So it's the classic one where order matters. And there's how many different slates of officers can be formed. So it says, I get it. So it says you have to read this carefully. The chair and the vice chair must be seniors. So this would be 20 times 19. And then the treasurer must be a junior. So the juniors, there's 25 of those. So we multiply 25. And the treasurer has to be a sophomore. No, the treasurer has to be a freshman, right? The treasurer must be a junior. Oh, the treasurer must be a junior. So that's 15 because there's 15 juniors. Okay, so it's 20 times 19 times 25 times 15. All right, so I'm skimming through this really quickly, but that's what you have to do. Freshmen, 20 freshmen, they don't get to do anything because they're freshmen, scum of the earth. Okay, 41. So I drew the universe for this. So the universe is 83 people, and there's just 2 circles on this one. It says a social organization and a service club held a joint meeting. 83 people were present. 40. Oh, so they're having a joint meeting. So there's an overlap, right? How many belong to both is the question here. So we're trying to figure out the overlap. So it looks like there's 83 present total. 46 belong to the social organization and 51 belong to the service club. And how many belong to both? It looks like I did a guess and check on this. So I think you could probably use the formula. Yeah, you should be able to use the formula on this. But I came up with 32 and 14 and 37. So how many belong to both? 14. All right. So that should be the formula. There's 83 total is equal to 46, which would be those two together, 46 plus those two added together, 51 minus 14, and that would be the number you're looking for. It would be 14. So does that make sense? Yeah, because that's that plus that's 97, and then minus 14 would be 83. I don't know why I didn't use the formula. I drew a picture. I guess I wanted to guess and check on that one. If you're looking at the answer key, I just did the picture instead of the formula, which maybe by the time I got to 41, I forgot to use the formula. I don't know. Okay, last two. This one is, it says SportsMart store has 10 sportswear outfits for display purposes. How many ways can the group 4 outfits be selected from the display? So there's no order to this. It's just C10, 4. So you figure that out. And then the last one is a student is allowed to check out 4 books from the reserve room. All the books must come from one collection of 6 books or from a collection of 8 books. How many ways? So this is an or situation, but you're just picking books, so order doesn't matter. So you can do C6, 4. So you're picking 4 books out of one collection, or, right, that means add, you're picking 4 books out of a different collection of 8. So it's C6, 4 plus C8, 4. And so it'd be 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 divided by 4 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, plus 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 4 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And you do all that and you get 85. Ta-da!